Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to prepare the nodes. So what the things we have to do? So these are the things we have to do to prepare the nodes. We need to set up the host name. So you can check it here. This is my master. This is my node 1, node 2, node 3. So if I check my master, you can see hostname CTL, and I have the hostname is master.openshift.example.com. so this is my hostname. And if I check here on my node 1, you will see that there is a node1.openshift.example.com. the same thing is here. Node 2, but here you will see there is a infra 1. So this is just a naming convention. Whatever the name you want to use, you are free to use. I have used here infra 1 because later on in this section we will have the two infra nodes. So to identify each one, I'm going to use 1 and 2. So it depends on you. So first you have to set up the host name. Second, you have to set up the IP address statically. So here you can check it. And on my master node, cat/etc sysconfig network scripts, and here this is my static. So I have configured the IP address is 192.168.0.50. this is the IP address of my master node. The same thing you can check it here, etc sysconfig. So here is a 51, so I believe the 52 for the node 2, and 53 is for node 3. Yeah, so I have configured the boot proto none in all of my machines. It means this is the IP address, netmask, gateway, DNS is statically configured. So if you are configuring this one, you have to down your network connection, and then you have to reload your network connection, and then you have to up your network connection, whatever the name you have given. Then we have to configure the etc host file to resolve the host name, because as of now initial level I am not using any DNS to resolve the host names. I will add DNS later on, but this time there is no DNS running, so I am using host file. So here you can see 192.168.0.50 for the master.openshift.example.com, then 51 for node 1, node 2, and node infra node. So this is the same configuration I have done in my all the nodes. So you can check it here, cat host file. Yes, the same configuration is on node 2, and here finally. Yeah, then you have to update your system. So remember, your system should be connected to the internet. So here I need to update the full OS. So yum update, oops, typo, there is no package available for the update because I believe recently I have updated this system. And here also yum update, check it here. Let me confirm the internet connectivity. Yeah, so there is no updates. Right, so if you are updating now, please check your kernel. Maybe while upgrading your system you have the new kernel installed in your system, so you can use this command to check your kernel, and if the kernel is different from the installed and running kernel, you have to reboot your system, or you can simply reboot the system after upgrade. Once you have updated, you can install the below common packages. These are the common packages I would like to install on all the nodes. For that I would like to access here SSH 50. This is my master node, and here I can do the installation of these packages. So it will take, oops, so I'm installing these packages on master. So basically these are the packages you can check. I am installing the wget, I am installing the git, I am installing the nano editor, net tools, docker 1.13, which is necessary, bind utils for later on if you want to use the DNS, and some IP tables, braze, bash completion if you would like to use the tab for help while writing or typing your commands on the shell. Then we have the OpenSSL, then we have the HTTP tools, network manager, Python, Java, and development tools. So these are the common packages you need to install on all the nodes. So I'm just accessing here SSH root 51 is my node 1. Yes, and there is a final one. This is my infra node. And I'm installing those packages here as well. Right, so these are the 6 steps you need to do to prepare your nodes, and once you have installed these packages, our nodes are ready to install and or deploy the Openshift cluster. So we have to create the inventory file, we have to install the Ansible on master node, and so on. So we will do that one in next session. I hope you like this video. See you in next session. Thank you.